Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So in this video is i-share ko sa inyo yung isang application na masasabi ko na isang legit kasi tagal ko na siyang ginagamit and until now ay naka-install pa rin sa aking phone guys. And ayon sa kanilang application, ayan, seamless and hassle-free application process and low interest and low compliant. So, in this video guys, or in this application, ay sa first na maglo-loan or pag first timer ka guys is 0% ang interest niya. So, legit yun guys kasi nga na-try ko siya. So, before we go on guys, sa mga hindi pa nag-subscribe, ay mag-subscribe na, hit ang bell button para ma-update kayo sa upcoming videos and tutorials. Ayan. Alright guys, so ang lending application na ito ay si Mr. Cash, E-Generation Lending Corporation, na meron silang 3.1 stars and 6,000 reviews. Ayan. So, upon downloading guys, is magre-require sila ng isang active na phone number kasi magbibigay sila ng OTP. Ayan. After which, is kailangan nila ng permission sa ating camera storage, location, contact list, application list. Ayan. And after which is, i-click natin yung bilog sa baba para punta tayo sa kanilang privacy policy. And pagkabasa natin ng mga privacy policy nila, read and agree. And then, yun na nga, at sa, allow natin ang ating phone sa camera and location, ganyan. So, after which guys is may katanungan dito na how do you know Mr. Cash? Ayan, your feedback help us serve you better. So, meron dito yung reference from family, online ads, offline ads, news, coverage, and others. So, click lang natin yung online or depende sa inyo guys kung saan nyo nakita or saan nyo nabasa si Mr. Cash. And then, submit guys. And meron pala yung sabi dito, referral code. Optional yun guys. Kung meron nag-invite sa inyong friend, meron silang binibigay na referral code. Kasi may mga coins siguro, ganyan, or dagdag sa ating utangin sa kanila. Hindi ko lang alam, sure. Hindi ko sure guys. Okay, so submit. And then, ayun na nga, at sa first time na utang daw sa kanila is up to 12,000 pesos ang pwede daw nilang approve. Pero huwag tayong maniwala dun guys kasi nga first timer, syempre mababa yung binibigay sa atin. So, sabi dito guys na low interest, low long term, and then instant payout. And then, yun na guys, and click natin yung apply now para makaproceed tayo sa loan. Ayan. So, sabi dito na meron silang pag-guide. Ayan. So, how to apply for loan. So, meron dito yung go through application, yung step-step kung paano daw tayo makapag-loan sa kanila. So, loan review, repay on time to qualify for higher loan amount. Ayan. So, pagkabasa natin yon, get started na tayo. So, ito na yung mga ID na pwede sa kanila. Ayan, si SSS, Voters ID, PRC number, or PRC ID, National ID, Postal, UMID Passport, driver's license, and yung PhilHealth ID natin. Ayan. So, complete your personal information. So, lagyan na natin ang ating ID. Ayan. ID na gamit natin. And yung information na nasa ID, yun din ang ilalagay natin sa first name, middle name, last name, date of birth, gender. Ayan. And then, save and continue na natin. After which guys is yung ating highest level of education or highest educational level and valid ID. Ayan. Alternative phone number. Optional yun guys. So, pass tayo dun. And then, click save and continue. After which is yung address naman natin. Ang kanilang tatanungin. So, current address. So, specific address, yung house number, building, street, ganyan. And then, click natin dito kung permanent ba or nagre-rent ba tayo sa address natin. And then, save and continue na natin. Alright? And then, next is yung ating employment status. Okay? So, what is the source of your income? When did you start doing this? Ayan, so, sasagutan lang natin yung mga katanungan dito, guys. Okay? When is your pay date? monthly. Ayan, mga ganun guys. And meron dito yung employment certificate and payslip. Pero optional yun guys. So, pass na natin yun. And then, save and continue na natin. Kung kanina is yung information ng ID, ngayon naman is yung pa-picture sa ID. So, picturean yung ID and then yung pa-selfie. Ganyan. So, back and front. Ayan, kailangan ng back and front ng ating ID and then save and continue na natin. Okay? So, after na natin nasagutan lahat-lahat is yung i-re-review na nila ang ating information. And after wala pang 1 minute ay ito na guys, your current loan limit is 1,500. So, yun po yung first na approved loan amount sa kanila. Ayan. After making repayment on time, your loan limit can be up to 12,000 pesos. So, ang kagandahan dito guys kay Mr. Cash is first loan is hindi siya 7 days. So, it will be 18 days. So, titignan natin later. Ayan. So, 1,500 ang ating approved amount. After which, guys, is kung gusto nating mag-push through sa loan, click natin yung apply immediately. Ayan. Or kung hindi, will come later. Ayan. So, ganun lang kasimple yun, guys. And then, so, for this video is, click natin yung apply immediately. Ayan. So, dito naman guys is yung reference na. Ayan. So, nangangailangan sila ng tatlo na contact reference. Ayan. So, tatlo and then ilagay natin yung contact and contact number and yung pangalan ng ating ilalagay dito. And then, save and continue na natin. So, ayun na. Choose your desired loan. So, 1,000 to 1,500. So, it's up to you guys kung anong bet nyo. Ayan. So, click yung apply. So, yun na. Ito na guys. Yung sinasabi ko kanina na 18 days yung loan term nito. Hindi siya pa 7 days na tulad ng iba. So, 18 days ang loan term pag first timer. Pero eventually, magiging 45 days na pag good payer kayo and na-approve yung mga next na or nagre-reloan kayo is magiging 45 days na yung loan term. Ayan. So, click natin yung continue. Ayan. So, after which guys is yung channel na kung saan natin ma-receive yung loan. So, GCash, bank, or cash pick up sa mga MLBillier or RD Pawn Shop. And after natin ilagay yung mga information, yun na nga, click natin yung save and continue and yung sabi dito, confirm account details to avoid wrong disbursement. So, kung GCash, check nyo kung tama yung GCash number and then confirm. And ito na yung computation nila. Ayan. So, kagandahan din kay Mr. Cash is pinapakita nila yung mga computation. Hindi kagaya ng iba din, ayan, na may dagdag, may bawas. Ganon. Or may bawas, may dagdag pag magbabayad ka. So, loan term, 1,000 pesos. Or loan amount is 1,000 pesos. Loan term, 18 pesos or 18 days. And meron silang service charge of 9%. So, magbabawas sila ng 90 pesos. And fund receive is 910. Kunyari pag 1,000 yung loan mo, is magiging 910. Kasi nga, 0% interest. So, bali, yung service charge lang ang binabawas nila pag first timer ka. Ayan, so amount due, 1,000 pesos pag after 18 days, ayun po ang babayaran. And then, after which guys, or check muna natin yung mga charge dito, yung mga charge. Pag kunyari late ka, meron silang overdue or late fee of 1%. Ayan, the late fee will be applied to your outstanding loan once you're late. Okay, so for overdue naman, 0.4 penalty fee per day will be applied. So, dalawa yun guys, yung late fee tsaka yung penalty. Okay, so kung okay naman sa inyo guys, confirm to submit. Ayan, so before tayo makapag-push through sa loan, is kailangan natin bibigyan sila ng permission again sa ating camera, storage, location, contact list. So, agree lang natin kung gusto nating mag-push through, kung hindi, cancel naman. Ayun. And then, after which is yung pa-selfie nga, kailangan nating mag-selfie before natin makuha yung loan. For security reason siguro nila, for record, ayan. So, pagkatapos natin mag-selfie, ayan na siya, in review na. So, in 5 or less than 5 minutes is makukuha na ang loan sa ating GCash. So, ayun po guys, si Mr. Cash, ay masasabi ko na nga na pwede ko siyang mai-recommend as pwede niyang paghiraman or utangan in case of meron kayong mga emergency na pangangailangan. So, that's it our video and hopefully na nakatulong sa mga naghahanap ng utangan ngayong 2024. So, if you wanna know more about loan, ay mag-subscribe na and mag-like para ma-update kayo sa upcoming videos and tutorials. So, I hope na nakatulong nga ang video nito and see you on my next one. Bye!